Welcome to the Virtual Strategist YouTube channel. My name is Jay Sturley. I'm a lead strategist here with the company. You're most likely used to seeing Erica Olson on these videos, but I was invited to share some organizational development topics and principles. And so today's whiteboard is going to be on how to lead with powerful questions. So let's go ahead and jump into the whiteboard. Leaders are always looking for ways to increase their own individual impact, but also overall the impact of the organization. And so leading with powerful questions is one way to accomplish both. I wanted to begin today with talking a little bit about the why. Why even use them? Well, there's 5 reasons. First, to connect with others. Asking questions is just a simple way to engage and relate and connect with the other person. Second, it increases the ownership of the individual's work. Third, fosters critical thinking. And this is a pro tip. Perhaps you are onboarding a brand new team member. Well, instead of just giving all the answers, instead of just giving directives, ask questions. Ask powerful questions, and you will stimulate their critical thinking. Fourth, powerful questions can help with engagement and performance. And lastly, curate leadership in others. Okay, let's break this down. Powerful questions, what are they? Well, sometimes it's easiest to say what they are not. So, what they are not are yes and no questions. For instance, did you have a good time at the movie? No. A more powerful question would be, what was your favorite part about the movie and how did it impact your thinking? So a little bit of a stretch there, but I think you get the idea. Powerful coaching questions are open-ended, and they are looking to challenge the person to engage and to expand on their thinking. So I have 10 examples of coaching questions for the workplace. All right. I love to use these in my home. I love to use these when I'm out and about, powerful questions instead of just regular yes/no questions. But these are dedicated, or I should say more focused on the workplace. So let's cover each one. The first one is, what are the key objectives you want to achieve with this project and why are they important? Okay, great question. Number 2, what resources or support do you need to succeed in your role? Another good one. Third, how do you think we can improve our current processes? 4, what have been your biggest challenges this quarter and how have you addressed them? Number 5, what new skills or knowledge would you like to develop to enhance your performance? Just reading this out loud challenges me. Oftentimes I think, I know just the book to recommend, or I know just the podcast to listen to, or this is the way I would do it. But instead of just giving that directive with a coworker, to ask that question would be much more powerful as a leader. Okay, let's follow up here. Number 6. The example is, how do you prioritize your tasks when you have multiple deadlines? I love this one. Love this. What motivates you to perform at your best? And let's just take a moment as leaders and ask ourselves, do we know the answer to that with each of the people we work most closely with? If not, a little pro tip here, maybe we should ask this question. Number 7, can you describe a recent success and what you learned from it? Oftentimes we hear that one on an interview, or perhaps we use it when we're interviewing another. Number 9, what potential risks do you see in this project and how can we mitigate them? And lastly, how do you envision your career path within the organization and what steps can we take to support it? So these are 10 examples. I think the biggest takeaway is the idea of getting the person to expand their thoughts and explain their thoughts. Questions are so powerful. They can help us expand our impact as leaders. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe. Thank you, and happy strategizing.